Morning, children. Children, we were doing unit 7, nouns, number. What do you mean by number? Number means singular and plural, right? Now we have
Yes,
done
ma'am.
countable and uncountable nouns. We have done countable and uncountable nouns, right? See, children, there are some, we'll do a quick recap, okay? There are some common nouns which cannot be counted. Because we can't say one milk, two waters, or many bread. We can't say. So to make milk countable, we add something. So we add a word that is 1 cup of milk, 1 glass of milk, 1 drop of milk. Right? So to tell the quantity of uncountable nouns, we add some word, right? We add, as in for glass of water, you add glasses, 2 glasses of water, 1 jug water, 1 drop of water, right? Then bread, I told you bread is also uncountable. To make it countable, if अगर एक आपका loaf है तो उसके अंदर आप count करने के लिए, so count in a loaf, you'll say slice of bread, 2 slices of bread, 3 slices of bread. So to make count bread, you write slices. If you are counting many, then you'll say loaves of bread, right? Because one bread is 1 loaf. So more than one, it is loaves of bread. In our day-to-day language, we say, एक bread ले आओ. Your mother used to, everybody, even my mother says, एक bread ले आना, right? But that is wrong. एक ब्रेड नहीं होती, बिकॉज ब्रेड इज अनकाउंटेबल. आप ब्रेड को काउंट नहीं कर सकते. ब्रेड को काउंटेबल बनाने के लिए, कि यानी आप उसकी क्वांटिटी बताने के लिए, यू एड स्लाइस और लो इन फ्रंट ऑफ ब्रेड. ओके. Dust, money, paper, air, cement, rice, food, etc. All these nouns are uncountable. Right? Now, children, nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns. वो nouns जिनको आप count कर सकते हैं उनको हम countable nouns बोलते हैं. जो countable nouns होते हैं उनके singular और plural forms भी होते हैं, क्योंकि आप उनको count कर सकते हो. आप बता सकते हो कि वो 1 है कि 2 है, 3 है, 4 है, 5 है. So the nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns, because you can count them, so you can tell, are they 1, are they 2, are they 3, is it 1? So you can count them, you can tell whether it is singular or plural. But nouns which cannot be counted, nouns which can't be counted, are called uncountable nouns. So for uncountable nouns, most of them don't have plural forms, because for uncountable nouns we use singular forms. What do we use? Singular verb. See, uncountable nouns require singular verb. Milk is good for health. You can't say milk are good for health. आप क्या बोलते हो? Milk is good. Because you can't count milk. So you will use a singular. Bread was stale. Yes. Put yourself on mute. Bread was stale. आप bread are stale तो नहीं बोलते, क्योंकि आप काउंट ही नहीं कर सकते उसको. काउंट क्वांटिटी बताने के लिए आप उसमें स्लाइस ऑफ ब्रेड बोल दो, स्लाइस ऐड करते हो, तब उसको आप काउंट कर सकते हो. ओनली ब्रेड यू कांट काउंट. As I told you, only money you can't count. Money is, what is money? Ritvik, are you there? What is money? Yes, anyone? What
Ma'am,
is money?
पैसे. Countable noun.
Uncountable noun or countable noun?
Uncountable. Ma'am, countable noun. Uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. Ma'am, money is uncountable noun. Uncountable noun.
Stop, mute yourself.
Ma'am,
Money is
uncountable noun.
uncountable noun because you cannot count money. To make it countable, to tell the quantity of money, you add rupees and paisa. So when you write 5 rupees, it is countable. But can you write 5 money, 4 money, 6 money? No.
Of course not.
That's why money is uncountable noun. Okay. Now let's, I hope you have done this exercise. So I'll just discuss it with you. Coffee, is it countable or uncountable?
Ma'am, uncountable. Uncountable. Ma'am, uncountable. Ma'am, uncountable.
Uncountable. Toffee?
Countable. Ma'am, uncountable.
Brick?
Ma'am, uncountable.
अरे आप ईंटों को काउंट नहीं करते? 2 ईंटा 3 ईंटा, किसने बोला अनकाउंटेबल?
Ma'am, countable.
आइस क्यूब काउंटेबल?
Uncountable.
अनकाउंटेबल. आप सीमेंट को क्वांटिटी काउंटेबल करने के लिए उसके आगे क्वांटिटी ऐड करते हैं, राइट? शुगर अनकाउंटेबल.
Uncountable. Countable. Uncountable. Uncountable.
Steam is again uncountable. To make it countable,
Uncountable. Uncountable.
gold is uncountable. आप उसको okay, gold. Beta, because you people are not listening, I have muted you all. Please listen to me. I want to discuss also, but I want to tell you few things. Children, gold is uncountable noun. Why? Because it is a metal. Gold is a metal. Gold metal है. तो आप मेटल को काउंट नहीं कर सकते. मेटल से बने ऑब्जेक्ट्स को काउंट कर सकते हैं, राइट? बट आप ये नहीं बोल सकते 1 गोल्ड 2 गोल्ड 3 गोल्ड. नो. तो गोल्ड को काउंटेबल बनाने के लिए आप उसके आगे यूनिट ऐड करते हैं कि कितने ग्राम गोल्ड है, राइट? So when you add unit, that means that thing is uncountable. So gold is uncountable. अगर लिखा होता a ring of gold, then countable होता. Cream, cream is uncountable. Earrings, earrings. One set of earrings क्या है? Earrings count कर सकते हो आप. आपके पास कितने earrings हैं? आप count कर सकते हो. Gold के earrings and gold uncountable है, but earrings countable. Salt is uncountable. Air uncountable. You can't count 1 air, 2 air, 3 air. Ice is again uncountable. बर्फ, 1 बर्फ, 2 बर्फ, 3 बर्फ नहीं होता. 1 ice, 2 ice, 3 ice. No. 1 ice cube, 2 ice cubes, 3 ice cubes. So if it is ice cubes, it becomes countable. If it is ice, it remains uncountable. I hope this exercise is clear now. Now, you already know that a noun which refers to one thing or person is said to be in the singular number. जो noun एक thing को या एक person को refer करता है. The noun that which refers to one thing or person is said to be in the singular number. Example, child, man, lady, goose, ox, etc. Right? A noun which refers to more than one thing or person, it is in the plural number. Example, children. Child आपका singular है. And what is the plural of child? Children. Man singular, men plural. Lady singular, ladies plural. Goose singular, geese plural. Ox singular, oxen plural. Right? Children, there are certain rules also to change the number. Rules to change the Number. Change the number means to make a noun from singular to plural or from plural to singular, right? So most of the singular nouns form their plural by adding s. तो ज्यादातर आपके जो nouns होते हैं उनको हम प्लूरल बनाने के लिए क्या करते हैं, s ऐड कर देते हैं. Bed, beds, see s add. Rose, roses. Door, doors. House, houses. Bus, buses. Ear, ears. Right? Nouns that end in C. These rules you have done in your class 4 also. Yes. You've done these rules in class 3 even. Nouns that end in CH, SH, S, SS, X form their plurals by adding ES. जो nouns के last में क्या होता है, CH, I'll take a darker color, CH, SH, S, double S, X लास्ट में होता है. तो क्या करते हैं, उसको प्लूरल बनाने के लिए यू ऐड ES. You add ES. Bunch, bunches. Church, churches. Bush, bushes. Dish, dishes. Dress, dresses. Class, classes. Box, boxes. Fox, foxes. So everywhere what you have added? ES to make plural. So please learn this rule. Okay, don't forget. Learn this rule. Now the third rule is nouns that end in a consonant and O form their plurals by adding ES at the end. See, consonant क्या है? Second last. ये आपका consonant होगा T और O आप होना चाहिए. यानी आपका लास्ट लेटर, लास्ट अल्फाबेट क्या होगा, O, एंड O सेकेंड लास्ट अल्फाबेट क्या होगा, कॉन्सोनेंट. When your last letter is O and second last letter is consonant and it is a noun, how to make it plural? You will add ES. Okay. So tomato, tomatoes. Hero, heroes. O is the last letter and second last alphabet क्या है, R. R क्या है, consonant. So you will add ES. Okay. Similarly, mango. O is the last letter. Second last alphabet is consonant G. So you will add ES. That is, you will make it mangoes. Mosquito. O is the last alphabet. Second last alphabet is T, which is consonant. So you will add ES to make it plural. It will become mosquitoes. Okay? बहुत सारे बच्चे बोलते हैं mosquito. Mosquito नहीं होता. It's mosquito. And mosquitoes. Okay? Rule number 4. Nouns that end in F or FE form their plurals by changing F or FE into VES. वो nouns जिनका last letter या तो F होगा या FE होगा. What do? You change F or FE to VES. As in knife, FE. So you'll remove FE and add VES. Knives. Calf. F. You'll remove F and write VES. Calves. Half. Halves. Leaf. Leaves. Thief. Thieves. Life. Lives. Okay. I hope this example is also clear. Now, children, but we say chiefs, roofs, proofs, girls, jobs, both are correct. See, hoops, both are correct. So, there are few, exceptions where the last letter is F. Still, you don't change it. You don't remove F and add VES. You simply add S. कुछ ऐसे एक्सेप्शंस हैं जिसमें आप लास्ट लेटर एफ या एफ ई होने के बाद भी आप उसमें सिर्फ एस ऐड करते हो, आप वी एफ रिमूव करके वाई ई एस नहीं ऐड करते। एज इन चीफ्स, रूफ का रूफ्स आर ओ ओ एफ एस, प्रूफ्स पी आर डबल ओ एफ एस, गल्फ का प्लूरल होता है गर्ल्स, सिंगल एस ऐड करोगे आप, उसमें भी ई एस नहीं करना। ड्वार्फ्स एंड ड्वार्फ्स बोथ आर करेक्ट। ड्वार्फ में अगर आप सिंगल एस भी ऐड करते हो देन ऑल्सो इट इज करेक्ट, एंड इफ यू ऐड वी ई एस देन ऑल्सो इट इज करेक्ट। प्रूफ में भी अगर आप एस ऐड करते हो तो भी करेक्ट है, आप वी ई एस ऐड करते हो तो भी करेक्ट है। एस ऐड करोगे तो एफ के आगे करोगे, वी ई एस करोगे तो यू विल रिमूव एफ एंड देन ऐड वी ई एस। Right? I hope this rule is also clear. Now nouns that end in a consonant. Nouns जो consonant से end होते हैं, right? जिनका last letter क्या है? Second last alphabet क्या है? Consonant. And last is what? Y. So nouns that end in a consonant in Y. So if it is a consonant and Y, that means second last letter is consonant and last letter is Y. So what do? You change Y to IES. That means you'll remove Y and add IES. See, army, M is consonant, Y is there, the last letter is Y. So you'll remove Y and add IES, armies. Baby, remove Y and write babies. City, cities. Lady, ladies. Diary, diaries. Stories, stories. See, the second last alphabet of all these words are consonants, right? When the second last letter of the word ending with Y is a vowel, then you simply add S. No more changes, simply add S. Okay, so if it is a consonant plus Y, you will change Y to IES. If it is a vowel plus Y, you will add simply S at the end. Boy, boys. Key, keys. Toy, toys. Valley, valleys. Understood? Now there are more plural forms. इनको हम बोलते हैं irregular. Irregular words. Irregular क्यों? क्योंकि ये कोई भी रूल फॉलो नहीं करते, ये डिफरेंट है, इनको बोलते हैं irregular words, right? Child, कोई रूल नहीं फॉलो होगा, एकदम अलग। चाइल्ड का प्लूरल क्या है? What is the plural of child? The plural of child is children. Ox, oxen. Man, men. Tooth, teeth. आप क्या कर रहे हो देखो इसमें, आप वाल चेंज कर दे रहे हो, डबल ओ को डबल ई कर दिया, ए को ई किया, ए को ई किया, वी हैव मेड ए टू ई, you know, here also double o becomes double e. Louse, L-O-U-S-E becomes lice. Grown up, you add simple s, grown ups. Passerby, passers by. अब किसी में आपका लास्ट में एस ऐड होता है सेकेंड वर्ड में, और कुछ वर्ड्स में आपका फर्स्ट वर्ड में एस ऐड होता है, सो इट डिपेंड्स। Passerby will become passers by. Grown up will become grown ups. Son-in-law will become sons-in-law. दो हैं आपके sons-in-law. Foot becomes feet. Double O becomes double E. Mouse becomes mice. As louse becomes lice, mouse becomes mice. Okay. Now I have given you question number 2 also as homework. Yes. So what is the plural? Wait, I'll allow mic to everyone so that we can discuss. But then please children, behave yourself. And I don't want answers that everyone answering. Please wait. I will call you by name. Okay? Then only unmute your mic and answer. Is that clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now wait. Mute yourself. Write the plural of these nouns. Shelf. Okay, Sanvi. Yes, beta. Tell me the answer.
Mama,
What is
shelves.
spelling?
Ma'am, ma'am, we'll remove F and we'll add VES.
Very good. You'll remove F and add VES. Very good. Okay, Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Child will become.
Children.
Very good. Okay, Ujjwal. Peach will become.
Teachers.
Peaches. Very good. Because CH is the last word. That's why. Right? Here F is there. Now, lady. Lady will become.
Ma'am, ladies.
Ladies.
Ma'am, life.
Okay, so you'll remove Y and add IES. Why? Because D is a consonant, right? Wait, let me. Piano will become.
Pianos.
Nee.
Ma'am, pianos.
Yes. N is the consonant. N is the consonant, so you'll simply add S. Ox will become oxen.
Oxen.
Hobby will become Y. You will remove Y and add
Hobbies.
IES. Yes. Sandwiches.
Sandwiches.
Yes, you will add simple as eggs.
Sandwiches.
Words which you use in your daily life. Hello. Now, passerby.
Passersby.
Passersby. Yes. Knife will become knife.
Knife.
Now, the singular of these nouns. Yes. Your food.
Excuse
Apples will become
me.
berries. Yes, very good. Lights. Story. बेटा ये कौन सा story है? REY कौन सा story है? Story मतलब floats. Double story. Yes, this story is for float. Mice. Mouse. Torches. Daughters-in-law. Daughter-in-law. Very good. Feet will become foot. Change double E to double O. Women will become E will change. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Leaves will become not this story. Sanskriti answer. Story. This story is kahaniya, and this story is floor of the building. Right? Now fill in the blanks with the singular or plural of the given nouns. A litter of dash was eating food. Litter of dash. Puppy.
Ma'am, puppy.
Puppies. Dash were playing with kitten. The dash were playing darted.
Ma'am, please.
Puppies.
Ma'am, puppy.
Why puppies? Because word is there. Why here puppies? Because it is a collective noun. So है but अंदर आप puppies plurally use होता है but उसको collectively आप उसके साथ use करते हो, right? So that's why puppies here also. The building has 4
Stories. Ma'am, stories.
Stories. That book has funny
Stories.
So उसमें बहुत सारी funny stories हैं, right? Dash is God.
Children.
Beta, mute yourself. This is, that's why you have written the singular form. Her dash is made of silk. That means singular form will come. That means singular form will come. So her scarf is made of silk. Some dash were sitting in the dash. Children, were, that means plural. Mute yourself. Some women were
Auditorium.
Take off your dash before entering the room.
Didi.
Shoes. Yes. A range of dash.
A mountain.
A range of
mountain.
mountain or mountains. Range है सारी. So mountains. But ये collective noun है ना? It is a collective noun. Collective noun में आगे आता है, but अंदर आपका plural word use होता है. As जैसे puppies में हुआ था. So a range of mountains है was. यहाँ पे भी. But it is a collective noun. So you will write mountains. Okay. I saw a pride of dash in the gay sanctuary.
Lion.
Again, because it's lion now. Next will come. A choir of nouns. It will add s. Were dash were. Dash was singing melodiously. Sorry. So, were, that means plural. So, singers were singing melodiously. I keep my books on these. These matlab plural. This hota to shelf hota. It is these, so you'll write shells. You will remove F and add VES. These dash are new. These hai, that means plural, so you will write gloves. You will add S. Show me your diary. मुझे अपनी डायरी दिखाओ. Show me your diary. And children, tip of the day is we say a pack of wools. or a flock of birds. I have already explained you this. They generally take singular verb. So collective noun generally takes singular verb. A pack यानी collective noun है. Of wolves. Verb तो singular होता है, but noun में आप s लगा देते हो. Okay, so a pack of, because collective noun hai, so a pack of wolves was killing the deer. Be careful, when it is a collective noun, you write s in noun, you add s or es, you write the plural form, plural noun, but verb will be singular in case of collective noun. Okay, we also say a pair of jeans. जीन्स में दो पैर होते हैं ना, आपके दो पैर हैं, तो आप ये थोड़ी बोलते हो जीन्स. अ पेयर ऑफ जीन्स, अ पेयर ऑफ ट्राउजर्स. ठीक है. अ पेयर ऑफ गॉगल्स, दो आंखें हैं ना, दो आंखों वाला चश्मा. सो अ पेयर, ये तो ग्लासेस हैं, बट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट गॉगल्स. अ पेयर ऑफ गॉगल्स, अ पेयर ऑफ सिजर्स. When we want to refer to one thing, जब हम किसी एक चीज के बारे में रेफर करते हैं, these nouns are usually plural in form. ये प्लूरल होते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि इनके दो पार्ट्स हैं, पर दोनों पार्ट्स इनसेपरेबल हैं, उनको हम अलग नहीं कर सकते. सीजर में दो ब्लेड्स होती हैं, बट उनको अलग कर दिया तो सीजर किसी काम की नहीं है. इसीलिए आप क्या बोलते हो? अ पेयर ऑफ सीजर्स. अ पेयर ऑफ ट्राउजर कोई वर्ड नहीं होता. ट्राउजर इज रॉन्ग. अ पेयर ऑफ ट्राउजर्स. जीन, जीन कभी सुना है? जीन इज अ रॉन्ग वर्ड. यू ऑलवेज से जीन्स. व्हाई? बिकॉज जीन्स ही होगा, क्योंकि जीन्स कभी भी, उसमें दो पैर हैं, दो पार्ट्स हैं, बट दोनों को अलग नहीं कर सकते आप. ऐसा थोड़ी एक पैर में जीन्स पहनोगे, एक में नहीं पहनोगे. सो अ पेयर ऑफ जीन्स. सो these nouns are usually plural in form, but because they consist of two inseparable parts, so they take plural verbs. Understood? Now exercise number 5. Question number 5 is rewrite these sentences changing the noun from singular to plural form. Change the helping verbs also if required. One is done as an example. The baby is smiling. So the baby is smiling. So the babies, baby का plural क्या हो जाएगा? Babies. फिर babies हो गया तो is नहीं आएगा, तो आपको helping verb भी change करना पड़ेगा. Right? You need to change the helping verb also. So you write the babies are smiling. Okay. The passerby was relaxing under a tree. So the passers-by क्या होगा? Was क्या हो जाएगा? Were. और under a tree हट जाएगा, क्या हो जाएगा? Under trees. The passers-by were relaxing under the trees. Okay. Now children, this is your homework. Okay. Question number 5, exercise 5 is your homework. Is that clear? Here you know no need to write the, simply because a is there, a tree, you can simply write trees, because you're not talking about the definite trees. So the passers-by were relaxing under a tree, under the trees. No, the will come. Sorry, the passers-by were relaxing under the trees. You're talking about the trees under which they were relaxing, right? We pay tax to the government, so we pay taxes to the government. इसमें कुछ helping verb change नहीं हो रहा है because it's not there. This is an active volcano, so these are. अब एक्टिव हट जाएगा, एन हटेगा, सॉरी एन हटेगा, क्योंकि अब वन नहीं है. वन होता तो एन लगता. सो दीज are active volcanoes. This is your homework. Question number 5 is your homework, and error finding in this we'll do tomorrow, this exercise, right? So your homework is question number 5. Is that clear? This is your homework. Kindly complete your homework, right? Is that clear, children? Do you have any other confusion? Thank you, children.